Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. Today we are going to take the revision 7.1 exercise, that is ninth problem. Yesterday up to 8th problem completed. Now today we are going to start the revision from ninth problem. The ninth problem it is, if q0 comma 1 is equidistance from p 5 comma minus 3 and or x comma 6. Find the values of x. Also find the distance qr and pr. It is given. Here it is the p and r points. P point is the 5 comma minus 3 and r point is the x comma 6. These two are the equidistance from q0 comma 1. That is the main concept. So here we have to find out the distance using the distance formula. That means what is equidistance means? So that means p q distance equals to, that is the qr distance. This q point is equidistance from p and r. That's why we have to write down the distance of pq equals to qr. So we have to take that using the distance formula. q0 comma 1 is equidistance from p 5 comma minus 3 and r x comma 6, which means given already pq equals to qr. How to find out the pq equals to qr? By the using the distance formula. Therefore pq equals to, p is the x1 y1 and q is the x2 y2. So therefore pq equals square root of distance formula you are using. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here the points p x1 y1 and q x2 y2, that is therefore 0 minus 5 whole square, or otherwise 5 minus 0 whole square, and next minus 3 minus 0 whole square. Therefore 5 minus 0 whole square means 5 square, minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4 whole square. 25 plus 16 equals to square root of 41. Like that only qr also. Q is the x1 y1, r is the x2 y2. You have to substitute in that x minus 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. 0 minus x whole square means minus x square. So 1 minus 6 whole square means minus 5 whole square. Therefore square root of x square plus 25. By the given, what is that equidistance mean? Therefore using pq equals to qr. Therefore square root of 41 equal to square root of x square plus 25. So both sides square root get cancelled. Then we are going to get 41 equal to x square plus 25. Therefore x square equals to 41 minus 16. 25 means 16. Therefore x equal to square root of 16 means plus or minus 4. X equals to 4 and x equals to minus. This is the find the values of x completed. Find the values of x equals to 4 and minus 4. Then they are given also find the distance qr and pr. So here qr points we have to take. What is the qr? Q is the 0 comma 1 and r is the x comma 6. X value how much it is? 1 we have to take, 4 comma 6, 1 more we have to take, minus 4 comma 6. Why means the x values are positive and negative, 2 values are. Therefore coordinates of point p r will be r4 comma 6 and r4 minus 4 comma 6. First we have to find out qr distance. What is the qr distance? If r4 comma 6, then qr equals to qr distance we have to find out. Therefore qr equals to square root of 41 by using the distance formula. Even pr also we have to find out that p point it is the 5 comma minus 3 and r value is the 4 comma 6. We have to find out the distance formula. Then we are going to get the pr equals to square root of 82. When we are coming that next value, q as it is 0 comma 1 only, r it is going to be changed, minus 4 comma 6. Then r equal to 0 comma 1 and this is, what is that, q equals to 0 comma 1, r equals to minus 4 comma 6. Therefore qr equals to, we have to find out it by using the distance formula, square root of 41, and pr equals to by using the distance formula 9 into square root of 2. That is the values of qr and pr we are going to get. Next the problem number 10. When we are coming to the 10th problem, so it's very important sums. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistance from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here also the same like that only, before sum only. Here x comma y is equidistance from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. That's why solution now point x comma y is equidistant from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. That means distance of x comma y and 3 comma 6 equals to distance of x comma y and minus 3 comma 4, that is equal. Therefore, by using the distance formula, we are going to write square root of, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. The second one also x minus of minus 3 whole square, then y minus of 4 whole square. Therefore, both sides square root get cancelled. Then what is the remaining? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. This is we have to simplify by using the a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. The both sides we are going to get x minus 3 whole square means x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y minus 6 whole square means y square plus 36 plus minus 12y. Like that only x plus 3 whole square, x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Both sides x square get cancelled and y square also get cancelled. Plus 9 get cancelled. Then the remaining 36 minus 16, the plus 16 before equal it becomes to the minus 16. 6x plus 6x 12x and minus 12y, that is plus 12y minus 8y equal 36 minus 16 means 20. 6x plus 6x means 12x. 12 minus 8 means that is a 4y. Therefore, from this one 3x plus, we have to take the common from that. There is a 4 common, 4 3s are 4 1s are. The 20 divided by 4 means 5 it is coming. Therefore, 3x plus y equals to 5. That is a relation. What they are asking, find a relation between x and y, means the relation between x and y is 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. This is the 10th problem. When we are coming to that next exercise 7.2, page number 167. Here it is the find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. These are the end points of the line segment. What are they? Minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. So this is one point is there, that is a dividing point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides. Let the coordinates of the point dividing point px comma y, the ratio it is given 2:3. So how we are going to find out this one? By using the suction formula. What is the suction formula? Px comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, then my1 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is a suction formula. Therefore, x coordinate formula, x equal to, they are given here, x equal to m1 x2. m1 value, what is that ratio? m1 m2 means 2:3. m1 value 2 and the m2 value is a 3. m1 means 2, m1 x2 means 4, 2 into 4 plus m2 means 3, x1 means minus 1. Therefore, from by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3 equal to 4 is 8 and 3 into 1 minus 3, that is 8 minus 3 5. Therefore, 5 by 5 equals to 1. That is x coordinate of dividing point. Y coordinate, what is that? m1 y2. m1 y2 means m1 value 2 only, y2 value minus 3 plus m2 means 3, then y1 value 7 in by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. Therefore, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 3 into 7 21, minus 6 plus 21 means 15. 15 by 5 equals to 3. That is, therefore, the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 is that 1 comma 3. The second problem also, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Here it is given trisection. Trisection means how many parts? Tri means 3. What is a given line segment? 4 comma minus 1 and 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 3. So here you have to verify that AB is the line segment. How many points we have to divide AB trisection? Tri means 3. That's why AB 4 comma minus 1 and B is the minus 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are the points of trisection of the line segment joining the given points. AP equals to PQ equals to QB. That means all are equal. The equivalent line segment AP equals to PQ equals to QB. Therefore, first one, this is the, when trisection means you have to keep in mind 1:2 ratio, 2:1 ratio. Therefore, point P divides AB internally in the ratio of 1:2, that is. Here it is the p divides. P divides, just you have to think there is no q, only p it is there. That means AB equals to 1 ratio, PB equals to 2 ratio. What is the dividing point? P. Therefore formula x1 equals to, what is the formula? M1 x2. M1 value how much it is? 1. M2 value 2. X1 y1 and x2 y2 means A and B. Therefore M1 means 1, M1 y2, M1 x2, that is M1 x2 means minus 2 plus M2 means 2, and the M2 that is the x1 by into 4, that therefore 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2, M1 plus M2, that is 3. Therefore minus 2 plus 8, minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 3, 6 by 3 equals to 2. Even y1 also, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2 formula. M1 means 1, M1 y2 value minus 3 plus M2 means 2 and y1 value minus 1 by M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 2. Therefore result equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. So this is the p dividers of AB internally in the ratio of 1:2. One more it is there, q also is there. Therefore one more point, that is q divides AB internally. There is no p, suppose you have to think there is no p, that means AQ equals to ratio 2 and QB is the 1. Same like that only above also. And therefore using that section formula, M1 x2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Therefore x2 and y2 we have to get, x2 value 0 and y2 value 0. This is the q, the coordinates of the point q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Therefore the trisection points are now P and Q. P 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q 0 comma minus 7 by 3 children. So tomorrow that children we will conduct. Here also one more problem it is there that I am going to explain. A third problem, to conduct a sports day activities in a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. As shown in the following figure, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags means we have to use the formula, distance formula. One more is that Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Where should she post her flag? Just once you can come to here. Here the first one is the second line and 1/4 of AD. Total AD equal how much it is? AD equals to 100, it is there, 100 meters distance it is there. 100 means 1/4 of AD means 25. Therefore the first girl, what is the first girl name? The first girl name it is Niharika. Niharika place point is now 2 comma 25. One more girl is there, the Preet position it is 8 comma that is 1/5 of AB. 1/5 into 100 means that is 20. Therefore 8 comma 20. These are the given 2 points. The first one, the girl, first position of the girl it is 2 comma 25 and the second girl it is that is 8 comma 20. So distance we have to find it for these 2 points. 2 comma 25 x1 y1 and 8 comma 20 is the x2 y2, and from this one, and therefore distance between 2 flags equals to that is Niharika and Preet distance between them, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, distance formula. That is x2 means what is that? 8 minus 2 whole square and 20 minus 25 whole square. 8 minus 2 means 6 whole square, that is equals to 36. 20 minus 25 means 5 whole square, 25. 36 plus 25 equals square root of 61 meters. That is distance between these 2 flags. One more girl, Rashmi, is going to post her flag between these 2. Between means midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Sir, what is the points are 2 comma 25 and 8 comma 20. Midpoint. x1 y1 is the 2 comma 25 and x2 y2 is the 8 comma 20. x1 plus x2 means what? 2 plus 8 by 2. Then that is 2 plus 10 by 2. 10 by 2 equal to 5. That is x equals to y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 value how much it is? 25. y2 value 20. 20 plus 25 by 2. that is 45 by 2. So 45 by 2. Therefore, at the position of fifth line and 22.5 on the AD, she is going to put the Rashmi between these two flags. That is the 7.2 third question. So the tomorrow questions we will continue in the tomorrow class. Just prepare well for your midterm examinations. Thank you. Have a nice day.